Well, you'll have to work some out of the girls then when my granddad's up here. He's always there for 3 nights. I was not to get you to just go up and visit Elle, probably. You thinking by that, or you that weekend?
What is he doing?
For birthday? You can't just reverse out of a drive-through.
I got cars behind me, my friend. I'm not moving for shit.
You can't. What's he doing? He's gonna go into that.
I can't go back. There's cars behind me, you clown. What are you playing at? Go forward. You don't have to buy anything. Just drive straight through. There we go. We're starting to understand now, aren't we? Idiot, man.
What is he doing?
I literally got no ideas, Alexi. I have no idea.
Well, he don't look very happy, does he?
Well, that's his problem. Oh, fucking idiot. He's now going to try it with that car, is he?
Yeah.
Jesus.
What is he doing?
Just sit down and watch. Just sit down and watch.
I am.
That's the best thing. Just sit down and chuckle.
Can't get out. This car's blind up. Oh, no, hang on, he's going back. He's doing it again.
I'm half expecting him to just jump over that grass.
Track on.
It won't surprise me.
Do you reckon he is?
I don't know. I said it won't surprise me.
Yes, he is.
What did I say? What did I say? You just can't make this up, can you? What a nutter. Wow. One brake light. Ah. I wonder if we can take the red light from that traffic light and then put it where it should be. Ta-da! You're welcome, my friend. You're welcome. Yeah, it's still red, my friend. It's still red. I shouldn't have given you those lights, should I? Should we call that a red light? I think we shall. Oh, it's a taxi. Sorry, my bad. Taxi green. I do apologise. It was a taxi green. And that, in fact, is a bike box, my friend. But then again, it's an Audi and they've got their own set of rules, haven't they? So... Are you beeping at me, man? Is there a problem, sir? Is there a problem, you clown? Because I no do nothing wrong, did I? Oh, he's going to do that. That makes perfect sense, ladies and gentle ladies. What a knobhead. I need to watch this, Alexi. There's no one about, so I'm actually going to watch this. Oh, he's hit the van. He's hit the van.
Yes, he's dented it as well.
Wow! I told you. Was that worth watching? Was that worth watching?
He's proper dented it.
What a monkey.
You gonna go? Go.
God, you're impatient today, aren't you, woman?
I'm not that bad. Well,
she was looking at her teeth in the mirror.
Why would you look at your teeth in the mirror?
To see if
whilst you're driving?
Any food in there? Maybe she's going on a date. You're impatient little...
Well, she could wait until she gets to the date, then look at her teeth when she's stopped the car completely and not at a transit light. And it's green, and we're sat there for a couple of seconds, waiting, just so she can stare at her freaking teeth.
Wow.
Oh, it wakes me up.
Wow, what is up your ass today?
I don't know.
the car to come out because I can't go nowhere. Should we rear cam it up, boys and girls?
Impatient
He
git.
was going to overtake me, the knobhead.
No, ready.
Oh, he didn't look after you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I am so sorry.
Which is fair enough. Because they all blame Mum.
What's that?
I know.
Oh, that's going to be fun.
There's no point moving left. You ain't going to get through there. Go around the island, man. Go around the island, man. Go around the island. There we go. Why did he not just do that?
I don't know.
So did they all just go through red lights?
Yeah, they did.
Tut, tut, tut. It's that time of year again, just before Christmas, where the DVLA take a big chunk of money off me. 250 of the Queen's finest gold coins. Yeah, for the privilege of driving on the roads. And this time, I've got the option to give my feedback. Overall, how did you feel about the service today? Yeah, very dissatisfied, obviously. And then it gives me a nice little box to give my thoughts. I am extremely sad. I have to pay tax. You robbing bunch of cunt. You could improve this service by not charging me tax next time. Thank you for your time. Pricks. Do you know what? I think that will do nicely. Oh! Oh!
Okay.
Oh! I need some tissue. Did you see that? Did you see that?
I've seen it.
Did you see it?
I did.
Sound orgasmic then?
No. You're strange.
Sound orgasmic?
No.
Yes, it was.
No, it wasn't at all. It was a freaking car.
Just a car?
Just a car that made a loud noise. That's it. I was quite low to the ground.
You're going to get some hate for that one.
Why?
Just a car.
It's a car. It's low to the freaking ground and it makes a loud noise.
That's just a car, yeah? That's just a car. That's just a van. That's a funny coloured car.
That's a nice colour car, actually.
Shut up. Supra.
And?
It's a rare car. It's not just a car. That's good parking. Hello. It is in fact parked now.
It's a car.
It's not a car.
It's a car. Obviously, it's a car. It's on the freaking road. It's a car.
Yeah, it's the car, but it's not just a car.
It's just a car. It does the same thing as every other car, doesn't it?
No.
What does that one do that's different?
Makes loud noise and goes sideways.
You can make any car loud noise.
Can you?
Well, yeah, you probably could.
Can you?
Probably.
Things that make you go,
Ooh, that's what you make you feel. Our living room's on our kitchen. Okay, this way. I need your arm. He was on the telephone. He was on the telephone.
He was on the telephone. Naughty, naughty boy.
Naughty, naughty, naughty lady.
No, because it was a boy, not a lady. Yeah, I've lost what I was saying now.
That was a nice little song, wasn't it?
Sorry, I just blurted that out.